नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself JVN Dr. Astha Sikarwar, Assistant Professor, Department of Organ of Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today's topic is Life History of Rajendra Lal Dutt and ML Sarkar. First, Rajendra Lal Dutt. Babu Rajendra Lal Dutt may be called the father of Indian homeopathy. It was he who converted Dr. M.L. Sarkar to homeopathy. It was he who brought homeopathy into high esteem by curing illustrious luminaries like Pandit Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, Raja Sir Radha Kanta Dev, and scores of others. He was born in 1818 in the famous Dutt family of Wellington Square, Calcutta, and amassed an immense fortune by dint of his personal talent in honest business and trade, and spent the whole of it in various philanthropic works and mostly for homeopathy. He expired at the age of 71 years on June 5, 1889, leaving homeopathy in Bengal on a firm, sound, and wide footing. Next, ML Sarkar. Mahendra Lal Sarkar, CIE, 2nd November 1833, 23 Feb 1904, was a Bengali medical doctor MD, the second MD graduated from the Calcutta Medical College, social reformer and propagator of scientific studies in 19th century India. He was the founder of the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. Mahendra Lal Sarkar was born at Paikapara village in Howrah district near Calcutta, now known as Kolkata, in the Bengal province of British India. He lost both his parents early in life, his father when he was 5 years old and his mother when he was 9 years old. He was sent to a Guru Masai or tutor of Learn Bengali and subsequently to another tutor named Thakur Das De to learn English. On learning some English, he secured admission in higher school as a free student in 1840. In 1849, he passed the junior scholarship examination and joined Hindu College, where he studied up to 1854. At that time, Hindu College did not have facilities for teaching science, and as he was bent upon studying medicine, he transferred to Calcutta Medical College. In 1863, he took the degree of MD with special success. He and Jaggabandhu Bose were the second MDs of the Calcutta University after Chandra Kumar De 1862. Although educated in the traditional European system of medicine, Mahendra Lal Sarkar turned to homeopathy. He was influenced by reading William Morgan's The Philosophy of Homeopathy and by interaction with Rajendra Lal Dutt, a leading homeopathy practitioner of Calcutta. In the course of his career, he treated several notable persons of those days, including the author Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay, the ascetic Ramakrishnan the Maharaj. Mahendra Lal Sarkar started a campaign in 1867 for a National Science Association. He planned for an association that would be funded, run, and managed by native Indians with the aim of turning out a pool of scientists for national reconstruction. The Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science was established in 1876 and Sarkar was its first secretary. Sarkar supported women's education in 19th century India when higher education among women was rare. He also arranged for Sarla Devi Chaudrani's attendance in the evening lectures at IACS so that she could pursue her studies in physics. He was a fellow of Calcutta University and an honorary magistrate and sheriff of Calcutta 1887. He was made a CIE in 1883 and honored with an honorary doctorate degree by University of Calcutta in 1898. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with it. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.